breaking news where we're learning that thousands of Windows users across the globe are witnessing the blue screen of death error, causing their systems to suddenly shut down or restart. Now, Microsoft has identified a recent CrowdStrike update as the reason behind this widespread issue. Blue screen errors, also known as black screen errors or stop code errors, occur when a critical issue forces Windows to unexpectedly shut down or restart. Now, affected users may encounter messages such as Windows has been shut down or prevent damage to your computer or similar such notifications. So thousands of Windows users across the globe are witnessing the blue screen of a death error. This is an outage that's affecting millions and in fact billions of people. I believe I'm joined in by my colleague Rajat Mishra from Republic Business to give us more details as to how this error has broken out and how long has it been that Microsoft is experiencing these outages.
So Kriti, this is a big news that we are tracking right now. Microsoft cloud outage has severely impacted the flight operation, the gaming industry, and a lot of corporate as well. So what we are picking up is that users from across the world are reporting problems on their system. Low-cost airline Frontier Airlines have grounded their operation. In a statement on its website, Frontier said our systems are currently impacted by Microsoft outage, which is also affecting our companies. We appreciate our patience. And just now, SpiceJet from India has also tweeted, and I'm just quoting, "We are currently facing a technical issue in providing updates on a flight disruption. Our team is actively working to resolve this issue." So obviously it's a big impact, and when we talk about Microsoft outage and Microsoft 365, it's a cloud-powered productivity by Microsoft, which allows companies and business to work their company-related works. And when there is a software called Down Detector, which tracked the outages up to 11:31 a.m., outage detecting platform reported 391 outage reports, with 56% facing problems with login, 23% facing app problems, and 21% with OneDrive. So obviously it's a big global impact that we are seeing as far as Microsoft outage is having on the flight operation as well. Also, the various users and the people have took to Twitter and shared their blue screens on the laptop, in which they said that they are not able to log into the various platforms. That is about the individual problem. When we talk about the airlines, particularly Frontier has asked to pause the airline departure across the United States. CNN reported, citing the Federal Aviation, as many as 131 flights were cancelled Thursday, while 223 were delayed, meaning that 30% of the overall flights were affected as per FlightAware. So obviously this is a big news that we are tracking right now as far as Microsoft 365 cloud outage is concerned, Kriti.
Any word also coming in from Microsoft as to when this will be sorted out?
So Microsoft has said that they are looking into the issue, that they are trying to resolve it as soon as possible, because it's something not confined only to the US. It's having impact on the on the airline operations, on the gaming industry, and the individual corporate ecosystem as well.
Also explains to us, Rajat, as to what will be the impact of this massive outage in terms of the numbers and, money that's going down in these business hours.
So as we have already told that it's having a massive impact on the global airline operation. Frontline, which is a low-cost carrier, has already cancelled 131 flights, and while 223 were delayed, meaning that 30% of the overall flights were affected as per the FlightAware, a flight data tracker. And when we talk about the outage reports, the 391 reports of Microsoft outage have been reported on Down Detector till 11:31 a.m. 56% facing problems with login and 23% facing app problems. So obviously it's going to have a big impact on the economy, and it's going to be a loss for the companies as well, because the operation has been halted on various fronts.
All right, hold on, Rajat. I also want to put across a statement that's come from Microsoft 365 status. It says, and I'm quoting viewers, "Our services are still seeing continuous improvements while we continue to take mitigation actions. More details can be found within the admin center under MO821132. Now, Microsoft Cloud has also shared a link. In fact, Windows PC outage has affected businesses, including not just airlines, but banks, telecommunications, TV, and of course, radio broadcasters as well. Viewers, Microsoft experiencing massive global outage impacting services across the globe, not just airlines or banks or telecommunications alone, but TV, radio broadcasters as well. In fact, I want you to continue being with us, Rajat, and tell us about some of the reactions that are coming up at the moment.
So we have already seen that people have took to the X, and they have also talked about how their blue screens are popping up on their on their laptop screens, and how they are not able to log in, and the various reports are being lodged with the Down Detector, which is a platform which detects the outages and how many people go and report their complaints on that. So blue screens, people have took to Twitter, and I would like to quote some people. Someone has tweeted, the latest CrowdStrike update seems to be pushing machines into BSOD loop, major outage around the globe. One user has said that happy weekend, thank you Microsoft blue screen. One user has also gone on a Twitter and said media companies, bank and supermarkets hits by global outage linked to Windows PC, although no information suggesting hack behind outage. So basically why this outage has happened, that Microsoft has to come up with a statement explaining that what was the reason and rationale behind this outage. But Microsoft has been putting out statement that they are saying that there is a continuous improvement as far as their network and Microsoft network is concerned. It has said that it focused on redirecting the impacted traffic to healthy system. So they have also said that how they are redirecting the entire traffic on a healthy systems of the network, and quoting them, we are still observing a positive trend in services availability while we continue to redirect the impacted traffic, unquote. Microsoft said that it expects the user will continue to see the gradual relief going forward. So that is a big relief that Microsoft is working on that, because if this will continue for a long time, it will obviously have a big impact, because we are already seeing the flight operations being grounded. We are seeing that gaming companies are at the forefront and bearing the brunt. We have seen the banks are also being impacted because of this outage, Kriti.
Well, of course, viewers, big news coming in about Microsoft experience a massive outage. BDOS screens are emerging on systems across the country. This is, of course, going to affect industries and businesses across the globe. But that's what we know so far. We will continue to bring you more updates. And in fact, thanks for joining us with your details, Rajat.